Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about these templates, that how we could make these templates and earn money by these. So first we will add a text that is a burger in my case. So I'm adding it and adjusting it to the size, and we will add a delicious text. And after that I will add an image, that is uh, here it is. So I am adding an image and make this smaller. After that I will add a shadow. So choose a shadow and position backward. After that we will add a tomato in it, and I'm adding a tomato and editing this image so I could blur it. I'm keeping the intensity to 72 and copy it, then flip and place it. Okay, then I will add an order now button in it. After that I will add some texts here. Then I will add some background. So I have taken this graphic, this element, and I'm copying it and placing it. Then I will select them all and I will decrease the transparency and make the position backward.